What is coronavirus? This novel coronavirus that causes COVID-19 is a newly discovered coronavirus that has not been previously detected in animals or humans. The source of this virus is not yet known. When should you wash your hands? After blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. Keeping hands clean through proper hand hygiene is one of the most important steps we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. What are the steps for hand washing? 1. Wet your hands with warm water and apply soap. 2. Lather up with soap. 3. Scrub your hands together for at least 20 seconds. 4. Rinse your hands well with warm, running water. And 5. Dry your hands completely with a clean towel. Do you have questions about COVID-19? Follow the Long Beach Health Department on social media at Long Beach Health Department. Visit the city's website at longbeach.gov/COVID-19 or visit the city's website at longbeach.gov/COVID-19.